Hello, this question comes up from time to time, so here's our updated answer. You're in Google Chrome and you're within Google Classroom or within Google Drive. You open up a PDF, more importantly, your students open a PDF, and you get this big notice at the top saying that we can't find any text on this document. So what that means is whenever I select this text or try to select this text, highlight it or anything, it doesn't work. It's just showing up as one giant image. And so what this is telling you is that this PDF is not very accessible to our students and that it will not work with the free version of Read and Write for Google. And the only way it would work in the premium version is if I use the screenshot reader and have to draw boxes around all the text. And so I really don't want to have to do that. And so I'm going to show you now how to use and convert these inaccessible PDF files in Adobe to make them more accessible for Chrome. So if you have one of these files, you are going to download it first to your computer. So you will save it to your computer. Now you'll notice it's going to show up right here in your Chrome web browser. If you notice, if you select this, it's actually going to open right back up in your Chrome web browser. And that's not what you want. So you're going to use this little arrow right here, and you're going to say Show in Folder. And we want to show in the folder, and we want it to open up in Adobe. We do not want to open it up in Chrome. So I have a couple of default messages here. So this is the document. It's still locked. I still can't select anything. But over on the right-hand side here, I have a toolbar, and I'm currently using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. And you'll see on the side, I have something called Scan and OCR. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I want it now to scan and OCR, recognize this text. In this file, I choose which language it's recognizing, make sure it's English, recognize text, and it is going to go through the process of scanning each page and what's doing optical character recognition, scanning the pictures and converting that into typed and accessible text. So it finished scanning, and I can tell that it's finished scanning because now, look, I can highlight and select text. And this lets me know that I've converted it from that image to this text file. I'm going to do a file. I'm going to do a save as. I'm going to save it with a different name so that I can then upload it into my Google Drive. So within my Google Drive or my Google Classroom, either one, I'm going to choose to upload that file. Find that document one scanned. It's going to scan, and then I'm going to select open. And what it's going to do is it is then going to open up in the PDF viewer. Now, if it opens up in something that looks like this, you'll notice that you can typically select open with, up here there'll be a drop-down menu that says you can open with the Read and Write PDF viewer, which will open up with this toolbar. And then if I use the click and speak, I just simply click on the word I want.
Growing crops is hard work. Farmers.
And it will start reading from there. So I've shown you how to take something that is inaccessible, not able to select the text, download it into Adobe, have it recognize the text through optical character recognition. I do a save as. I then upload that document back up into my Google Drive or my Google Classroom. And now I'm able to use my click and speak, which is available in the free version and the premium version of Read and Write for Google. I hope this helps make content more accessible for you and your students.